Hi, I'm Divya, and I'm a rising junior at American High School. So this is my second milestone for my main project, which is basically two fully built controllers that can control the games in RetroPlay. So first, I had to drill and Dremel a bunch of holes into these boxes for each individual button and joystick, and I also had to drill and Dremel holes for the ports of the Raspberry Pi. And it was my first time drilling and Dremeling, so it was kind of tough at first, but I got a hold of it after. And after I cut out all of these holes, I had to wire each individual button and the joysticks to this thing called a relay board, which is basically a small board which has a bunch of ports for wires. So I had to wire each button and connect it to the relay board, which I then connected to the Raspberry Pi. So that's how everything is connected, and when you press a button, it reflects on the RetroPlay. So here's a demo. So as you can see, both of these controllers work. So you can just play the game. So how this works is basically all the wires are connected to a relay board, and those are connected to the Raspberry Pi, which is then connected to this monitor. So some of the struggles that I faced while doing this was mostly about the wiring inside of this, because I didn't have a specific schematic to follow for the wires. So it was kind of difficult to figure out what order the wires should be on each of the buttons. And it took me almost an entire day to figure that out. And I had a lot of trouble because I had to try a whole bunch of combinations of different orders of wires, and also for the joystick it wasn't working at first. So, but after I figured all of the wire orders out, it was easy to build it, and it started working. So a next modification I'd probably make in the future is to program my own game using Python and Pygames, which I didn't get time to do.